A 17-year-old has been sentenced to 10 years and 8 months in prison for the fatal stabbing of Hazrat Wali, an Afghan refugee, in a Twickenham park. The incident occurred just hours after the defendant had been sentenced for possessing a knife. The court heard that Wali and his female friend Mariam Ahmadazai were approached by the defendant and 5 other teenagers. The defendant, then 16, started swearing, and Wali, who stood up and approached him, was then pushed in the chest before the defendant produced a 20 centimeters long black knife with zigzag-shaped indentations on the blade. Wali, fearing a fight, called a friend for backup, but was stabbed by the defendant in his right side, sustaining a deep wound and losing a significant amount of blood. Despite first aid from a nearby teacher and help from emergency services, he died an hour later. Authorities had caught the youth in possession of the same black knife 2 months before the killing, on August 5, 2021. The defendant pleaded guilty to the offense and received a youth rehabilitation order at Wimbledon Magistrates' Court on the morning of Mr. Wali's killing. Giving evidence in court, the youth claimed he grew scared when Wali called his male friend for backup, and that he sometimes felt unsafe when walking on the streets, and carried a knife for protection. Judge Sarah Plasch's KC said that the youth had made a deliberate decision to carry a fearsome weapon. Our sincere condolences and heartfelt sympathies go out to the family and loved ones of Hazrat Wali.